Hey, take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Impala Custom. Two-door hardtop. Extremely nice car. Very original, too. That is the original color of the car, Olympic gold, with a black vinyl top. Interior was black vinyl, which it still has. Appears to be the original interior and original top. Has had one repaint along the way. Is the original engine in the car, and I did get pictures of the deck in the front where you got the VIN derivative on. You can clearly make out that it is a numbers matching car. This car is also nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC compressor does turn on and off. It's been a little cooler here, so we haven't been able to really get it out and see if it blows cold, but the compressor does turn on and off. You can see the paint's got a nice luster to it. I'd say it's a little older paint, but in very, very nice shape. Chrome in the car, also nice shape. Call this a very nice driver quality car. Get in it and go. Has had Kragers added as far as an aftermarket wheel. You can see how straight the car is too. How well it fits, how nice and straight it is. Take a look at the interior here. Hopefully I don't get too much glare from the sun. Just a little bit of wear over here on this passenger side seat, but not bad at all. If you'd like to check out the underside pictures of this, you can see the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com, and you'll see how solid the floor pans, everything are in it. Odometer reads a little over 73,000 miles, I believe it is. And can we confirm that mileage as original? No, but judging by the interior, the top, the underside, you start to get an idea that yes, that could be very easily the original miles. Again, check out those still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the trunk also, and check out those undersides. Take a look at the trunk, see how original it is. Once again, very, very original looking car and very solid. Take a look at the door seams. The fit and finish in this car is also very nice. Check out the interior, show you. We'll start it up so you can hear how smooth this car runs too. Original door cards, just a little bit of wear on that armrest, which again, it kind of goes to make you believe it. Yeah, it may be a 70,000 mile car pretty easily. Take a look at the interior, front and back seats here. And again, not much wear there at all. If you notice, you have two of the clasp belts on each side, because if you remember, you had your lap belt there, and then you had your shoulder harness belt that would come down on each side, so hence the two clasps on each of the seat belts. Take a look at the dash, pretty much stock radio. There's an AM/FM radio. Let's go ahead and start this up. There you can read the odometer too, 73,119. Here it still has a factory buzzer even. See how easily it starts, how smooth it runs. A few aftermarket gauges down there. Those do work. Slip around to the back so you hear a little rumble out of this. Nothing crazy, but 350 rumble's nice. How nice that door closes and fits. Slip around so you hear it. Nothing wild, just a nice little deep rumble. Again, check out any of the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us 507-386-1726. 1969 Chevrolet Impala Custom. Very original Olympic gold color, original engine interior. Take a good look at it. Solid car.